Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be another what's inside my bag video. I switched bags about a week or so ago, so I figured it'd be a great time to do another one of these. You guys really seem to like them and they're kind of fun. Sometimes it's surprising to see what's, lurking around inside my bag. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see what's inside this bag, then just keep watching. So typically, I always use big bags like the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. I just love them because you can fit so much in them. You can throw things in them, take it out easily. There's not too many compartments, and I just love them. But you can't wear them crossbody, so that's where I was like, you know what, let's just try out a different bag. That's where this one comes in right here. This is actually the bigger size of the Gucci Marmot. It's like their camera bag, and I'm shocked how much I can fit in it, and I can still wear it crossbody. They have a couple different sizes of this one, so the smallest one, that's not gonna cut it for me. That's like just for one night out, but this can actually fit a lot, so that's what it looks like. I love all the gold detail, and that's what it looks like in the back. And as I typically say, if you guys are interested in a more affordable version of this bag, look in the description down below. So we're gonna open up the bag, and I kind of like not having a big bag. Again, I don't know how long this is gonna last. I'll probably eventually go back to the Neverfull, but so far this has been working out. Okay, so yeah, I have everything in there. I know it looks like a hot mess, but we're gonna organize it, but it does fit a lot. So first off, I'm just gonna start taking things out. This lip gloss is amazing. I need to put some on right now, but I believe this is new. It's the Too Faced Lip Injection Lip Gloss, and it's really nice, you guys. I really, really like it. It has the tingling effect like the regular one, but I like that it has a little bit of color. I love putting this over liquid lipsticks, and it just really makes your lips look nice and glossy. So I will link this down below. This is the shade Just Friends, if you guys are wondering. And then next, we've got my Earbuds gum. My mom actually just gave this to me yesterday. I have been on the hunt for this for like a week and a half now. I typically get it at my local Walmart, and they just didn't have it anywhere. And they have like a Mentos version of this, and I just do not like it at all. It doesn't last that long, and it just doesn't compare to this. So I'm so thankful that my mom found it. It was like, I was a little panicky. They had the regular Orbit packs, like the sticks, but these are just so much better. So I can even fit my gum in this, so you guys know this is my favorite gum. Okay, let's see, what else do we have in here? Oh, I forgot, I actually have to do this. So this is from my chiropractor. There's like a piece of hair in this. This is from my chiropractor, and it's two doctors that do Botox. Not Botox on your face, Botox for like muscle spasms. I have been having issues with my neck and my shoulder for 2.5 years. Every night I sleep with an ice pack, and I have to get up every couple hours to get another cold ice pack, or I can't go to sleep. Massages are just like temporary relief, but they don't get everything. Like, it just, I tried everything, chiropractics, massage, acupuncture, and it's always so tight. I have so many knots on this side. I stretch, I do everything. You would think I'm an athlete for everything going on. So my rheumatology doctor, I believe, originally suggested, well, maybe you should get Botox for your muscle spasms. That might be the next thing, because even medications just don't do anything for me. So I have two doctors that I need to call, and hopefully if I do go through with the Botox, like in certain parts of my muscles and my shoulder and my neck, that I actually can get a good night's sleep, because it's been like 2.5 years of this, and I always sleep with an ice pack. And I'm going to be traveling soon. I'm already getting panicky if the hotel is going to have like a freezer or not, because I don't know what I'm going to do about the ice packs, you guys. But anyways, to make a long story short, that's what that note is for. Okay, so yeah, we've got my keys, nothing new. Mr. Coda right there. I'm always going to have this keychain that my neighbor made for me. But yeah, that's it. Keys. So next is another lip product. I mentioned this before. This is the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump. I think they have a regular lip balm, and then they have the lip plump, and they're in different shades as well. This is in the shade Mixed Berries, but the hype on this, it's like crazy. I see commercials for it. I see people talking about it, and like people say, oh, it's so, I honestly, you guys, I don't think this is that great of a lip product. My expectations were really high. Me personally, I love the shade of it, but like it really just doesn't provide much color at all. It's very, it might look like something, but it's like really not, you guys. And it does not last long. That's my biggest pet peeve. When you put it on, it feels nice. It literally does not last long. Like within 10 minutes, like it could be completely gone. So I do like the way it feels. I'm not sure how I feel about how you like have to do this to push it up. I like the way it feels, but again, if I'm just putting this on bare lips, like over like a liquid lipstick or something, or a lipstick, yeah, but like on its own, it just does not last that long, you guys. I don't think it really plumps your lips. Like you have a cooling effect to it, but I don't know. It's like one of those products. It's just like you see so many people talking about these. I just don't think they're really that great. I honestly like this better than this, but I just figured I'd mention it. This, I know it's like very sheer, but it does have a little bit of a color to it. It's sheer though, like as you guys can see, but I don't know, I just think I like this one better, you guys. So if you guys are debating about this, I mean, I'd probably just pass on it because it is relatively expensive. You could probably find a lip gloss, even like I want to say e.l.f., and I haven't purchased it in a while, but they have some really good lip glosses that have the cooling effect, the plumping effect in it, and they're like under $5. Check those out instead. Yeah, I wasn't really happy about that, but I still have it in my purse. Okay, so next, I guess it's like another makeup related product. So this right here is the Milk Makeup Cush Brow Lamination, and I think I was bringing this to show, I forget who, I was going to show somebody it, but I was a little mixed on how I was going to like this product. Is it going to be just like a regular brow gel? And it says Cush Brow Lamination. So I actually really like this product. I do notice a difference between using it like this versus a regular brow gel. I just feel like it gives you more of like a, I don't know, like it like separates the hair and makes them look more strokier, if that makes sense. Kind of like a lamination, but it's not gonna like look fully laminated. I don't really like the fully laminated look, you guys, for brows. But yeah, I really do like this. I just wish the tube was bigger. Or longer for that matter, because it is really small, but that's what it looks like. And if you're wondering, this is clear. You're not going to have any like white in your eyebrows, because I know some eyebrow products, they're not clear. This one is, but it's weird. I just do notice a difference of it making like more straight, it like separates your real hairs to make them look more like strokier or laminated, if you will. So yeah, this is the Milk Makeup Cush Brow Lamination Gel. I will have this guy linked down below. And then let's see here. I have my earbuds in here for, I keep them in here primarily for the gym. But like sometimes if I'm at a doctor's office or I'm waiting somewhere and I want to watch something on my phone and I don't want my phone to be loud, that's when these come in handy as well. I've had these for like 2 or 3 years, you guys, and if they still have them, I'll link them down below. They're from Amazon. They're like $20, maybe like $25. They might even be cheaper, and they are a Bluetooth as well, so you can talk on the phone with them, and they're great. I honestly charge this charging port maybe like once a month, and I use them all the time, and then this serves as the charger, you know, and I use these like every day, you guys. You don't need to spend, what are they, the AirPods? You don't need to spend like hundreds of dollars on earbuds. I mean, you can, but these work just as good and they get the job done. So I will link these down below. So it's crazy because I can fit, you guys. That's what I love about this purse. Other purses, other small purses, crossbody purses, I can't fit my wallet in. I can actually fit my wallet in this. It's crazy. Look, you guys. I can fit my wallet in it. It's nuts. That's what I love about the size of this, because it's still considered like a small purse, but I can fit my wallet in it. So it's great. I don't have to like take bits and pieces out of my wallet and put it into my purse like I usually do with smaller purses. So yeah, I don't really have much going on in here, you guys, honestly. Like, I have actually a receipt for a deli I went to a few days ago, and I got the Boar's Head maple turkey That is the only turkey me and my husband will eat. I love boar's head, so that is a receipt. And a pound of it, like, it's gone up so much. A pound of turkey. This came to $11.87. But in Florida at Publix, the boar's head will, most of the boar's head, but the honey maple turkey there, it's like $15 a pound, $14.99 a pound. It might even be $15.99 a pound. I don't even know. It's insane. Yeah, that's inflation for you. But anyways, this is a receipt for the boar's head maple turkey or honey maple turkey. And if you guys haven't tried it, I definitely would try it. Yeah, so nothing going on in my wallet. I don't have cash. It's wide open, the usual. Let's see. It's crazy because there's still stuff in my purse, you guys, and it's small. All right, so I think in the last video I had mentioned the Fetch app, and it's really cool because basically you just scan receipts and you get points. For every receipt, you're going to at least get 25 points. I looked today and they have like a deal. If you buy a 2-pack of like Kodiak waffle mix, you get 1,600 points, which is crazy. But for every like 9,500 to 10,000 points, you get a $10 gift card. So you can either save your points or you can just cash in and get a $10 gift card or a $10 payment or whatever. I actually just cashed mine in and I have a $10 Bath & Body Works, like an e-gift card. So it's like hit or miss. Typically I'm getting like 25 points, but it adds up, you guys, and it's free. So I have to scan this receipt, and I'll have Fetch link down below if you guys are interested. I think if you sign up, you get like a free 100 points, and maybe I get a free 100 points, but my mom does it, so it's just a good way. Like if you have receipts, you scan them and you can eventually get gift cards. And this receipt is from PetSmart. It's for my cat's dry cat food, their hard cat food. We just switched brands recently, and this is the second time buying it because the one we were previously doing, they like discontinued. But this one is, it's called like Wellness Core or Wellness or whatever. It's the wellness brand at PetSmart. But the ingredients are really good. It's grain-free. And for cats, like, you guys should not be feeding your cats food with grains in it because they're not, like, their stomachs aren't meant to digest and break down grains and carbs. So it's, like, not healthy for them. A lot of foods have gone grain-free, but there's still a lot that are out there that have grains in them. But it's grain-free. And if you look at the ingredients, all the ingredients are great, especially when you're looking at, well, dog and cat food. If you see byproduct at all, or especially like in the first or two ingredients, that's a big no-no. You want to have whole ingredients in there, and you want them to be protein. So this brand, it's really good, all great ingredients. I think it's non-GMO as well. And then the most important part of why I choose this one is because it has a 45% crude protein. My older cat Koala, she is diabetic, so she needs to get as much protein as possible. But my cats only eat hard food at night. Like Jax, our 1-year-old, he could eat hard food during the day, but we're trying to do it right this time. Cats are carnivores. They're not meant to eat carbs. They're meant to eat meat. So yeah, we might be spending more on cans, but they eat wet food throughout the day. And then at night, we have a timer, an automatic pet feeder that goes off, I think, once or twice, just a little feeding of hard food. More so for Koala because she'll just start crying because she's hungry, and that's just for her. But I want to make sure that if she's eating the hard food, she's having one that has a high percentage of protein in it. So just a little tip, you guys, if you're looking at your cat's hard food, they eat hard food, I would make sure that it's got at least 40% or higher. They do make some that have higher, and then just try to avoid the grain-free and look at those ingredients. So yeah, it's just a receipt. I know I could just go like talk about cats all day, you guys. But anyways, let's see. Okay, so I have one more item, I believe, in this bag. I think I've mentioned this perfume before, but it's cool. Even though it's a smaller perfume, I can still fit a perfume in my bag. So I believe I got this like 4 months ago or maybe 5 months ago at Ulta. It's only sold at Ulta, unfortunately. It's the Escada Cherry in Japan, and it's such a different scent, you guys. I love it. I don't have the notes to read to you, but if you are in the store, and they should still have it, I would check it out. And if you're looking for like a really nice going out, sexy nighttime scent, I mean, even during the day for that matter, but this is really nice, you guys. It's really different, nothing like I've smelled before. So I have this in my purse currently right now. Yeah, I mean, considering the size of this, I was able to fit a lot. I'm looking at the contents of my bag right now. I'm actually shocked. I know I don't have my little pouch that I typically always keep in there with like, you know, Band-Aids and my hairbrush and like Lactate for my husband. But if I know I'm gonna like need it, I'll like grab it and put it in. But I typically never open up that pouch, you guys. I've told you before. So far so good. I haven't really like needed that pouch, but yeah. So anyways, that's it for what's inside my bag. Again, if you're interested, more affordable version of this bag, look in the description down below. But let me know in the comments down below, what size is your purse? Is it like this size, crossbody? Is it smaller? Is it bigger, like a Neverfull, or even bigger than that? I've gone bigger than that before. I'd be curious to find out. But anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.